I've been talking a bit about bone broth past few days, and the reason that some people with digestive issues have trouble with bone broth is because bone broth, two things. One, bone broth contains a lot of histamine because it's one of those things that simmers for hours and even days for some people. And the longer something cooks and sits out, the more histamine aged foods contain, and histamine can cause a worsening of SIBO symptoms. Another reason why bone broth could be a problem is because it contains a lot of collagen, which for people without SIBO can be a good thing, but if you do have SIBO, collagen can read in your gut like a fermentable carbohydrate, and it can flare your symptoms. You can get increased diarrhea, bloating, constipation. So I recommend that people do a meat broth instead, just a 1 to no more than 3 hour meat broth, just the meat, not the bones, and you'll get the nutrients and the proteins and just that warm, nice feeling from drinking the meat broth, but you won't get the aggravating collagens or the histamine.